Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Part A, a cross between two heterozygotes AA times AA produces an expected genotype ratio of 1 to 2 to 1. The dependent variable is the average mass of the mice. Wild-type mice ++ serve as a control to provide a baseline for normal growth while maintaining a constant age of 3. That mass differences are attributed to genotype rather than developmental stage. The data indicate that H3B ± mice experience a significantly greater reduction in mass compared to H3. Critical for growth. Part C, Figure 2 shows that the H3A-, genotype leads to a drastic increase in sperm structural defects, mostly tail defects, with only about 15. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double-check each step carefully.